Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you how to activate Cricket Wireless eSIM. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, in order for you to activate your eSIM here directly from Cricket Wireless, what you need to do is you need to visit their official website, which in this case is going to be cricketwireless.com. Now, in here at the very top, you have a bunch of options. You have Find Store, Coverage, Pay Bill, and Activate. Go and choose the Activate option. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to click on Ready to Activate. And in here, we want to go ahead and specify a few things. So in this case, it's going to ask you if you're an existing customer or a new customer. So go ahead and choose the appropriate option. So for example, I'm a new customer and click on Continue. Now, if you're an existing customer, they might ask you additional details. But in here, you have the Find My Order section. Now, what you could do is just need to enter your order number. Now, this is usually listed in your confirmation email or your packing slip, and also your Cricket phone number. Now, from then on, just click on Find My Order. Now, in this case, you need to verify a few things. So, in this case, just provide all necessary details on the next page, and hopefully, in there, it should give you the option to activate your Cricket Wireless eSIM. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.